Ew. There's literally a cat hair in my coffee. I mean, I probably inhale like so many cat hairs because I have 4 cats, but still, ew. Ew. I got it. You guys, I just got a notification that I unlocked 25% off my next purchase from Garage or Dynamite, and I'm so excited about it. I just ordered the cutest pair of pants from there. I'll have a picture like here or here, whatever. I'll have a picture up for you guys of the pants. I feel like they look so much better on, like, I've tried them in the store, but they look better on than they do on the mannequin, like the picture that they have on their website. But they are coming, and by purchasing that, I unlocked 25% off my next purchase, and I'm so excited. You guys, I'm actually so excited about this. I've been looking at Garage and Dynamite. Their spring collections are just so cute. Like, I'm shocked at how cute the things are. Like, honestly, I haven't shopped there in so long, and now I just unlocked 25% off my next purchase. The only thing is, when you get this 25% off with Dynamite or Garage, it can only go up to $25 off your full purchase. So you can't like just purchase, let's say, like $300 worth of clothing. They'll only discount $25, but still, I just unlocked 25% off, and I'm so excited about it. You guys, I just received an email. I think my pants are arriving today, the ones that I ordered from Dynamite. Wait, I might be able to show you guys in this vlog. I'm so excited. They are the cutest pair of pants. Anyways, I just got carried away, but what is up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be going over 10 healthy habits that you can easily incorporate into your everyday routine to become the best version of yourself, or that girl. And I put it like this because I don't think that there's like a specific like image for what that girl is. I just personally think that it's becoming the best version of yourself no matter what, and creating healthy, sustainable habits for every day. So I did do a few of these habits this morning for you guys because I don't want to just do a sit down video and go over everything with you guys. I feel like that's just boring, but I did do a few things this morning. I do have little clips to insert to make this video a little bit more interesting, because let's be honest, sometimes sit down videos are boring, and I get it. I still do them sometimes, and I apologize. But so yeah, to make this video a little bit more interesting, I did film a few of the clips while like I wasn't talking in them. I do have a little clips to make this a little bit more interesting. Also, I'm having issues with my camera. It cuts off like every, sometimes 15 to like a minute and a half. It really depends. Sometimes within 15 seconds it cuts off. Sometimes it goes up to a minute and a half. So I do apologize if this footage is very like blotchy. Regardless, we're gonna try to get through this video without me losing patience at my camera. We're trying to get this issue resolved, but it's not an easy one to resolve. So we're gonna get through it. Okay, camera just cut off again, but let's start going through some of the habits that I think anyone can easily incorporate into their everyday routine, and that I personally do or try to do most days. Now just remember, like, when incorporating something into your routine, it is important to be consistent, but don't get mad at yourself if you're not doing it daily from the start. Sometimes it really takes time, and you need to be patient with yourself and understand that like we're human, and sometimes it's hard to stick to something. Okay, so the first thing that I really do try my best to do every single day is somewhat wake up early, except on weekends. Weekends I let myself sleep in. I never sleep in too late anyways, but I do try to wake up early during the week to be sure that I can be as productive as I can. And one of the most important things I feel is, do not, and I cannot stress this enough, but do not go on your phone the second that you wake up. Like, take the time to get out of bed and start your morning. I just personally feel that if you're on your phone in the morning, like, I don't think it's really bad. There probably is like some sort of statistics or scientific thing that proves that it's not good to be on your phone straight away when you wake up in the morning. I just feel that personally for me, it makes me be unproductive. I stay in bed so long just because I stay on my phone. Okay, I'm literally making breakfast as I'm filming this because it literally cut off after 15 seconds the last time, which I can't get a lot of information in 15 seconds. But what I was saying is, try to get up, wake up early, and don't go on your phone as soon as you wake up. I feel like this is such a good habit, and it'll get you up out of bed earlier, and you'll be a lot more productive by doing so. I just finished making breakfast. The problem is, it's not just that my camera shuts off, but it takes like almost a whole minute, sometimes 2 minutes, for it to be able to film again, which is weird. But anyways, the next thing that I have on my list here is move your body daily and try to get 10K steps in every single day. I find that the easiest way for me to accomplish this is by doing the treadmill in the morning right away, but honestly, like just by going on a walk on your lunch break or going for like a walk later in the day, in the morning, whenever you feel like it, you'll see how easy it is to get those steps in, and it's moving your body, right? And then I personally like to do weight workouts, like lifting and that kind of stuff, so I do that 4 times a week approximately, sometimes 5, but I do really try to get my 10,000 steps in every single day. I feel like that's like my most important thing, and get my body moving. Something else that I feel just helps me feel my best is having my skincare routine, which I definitely did this morning already. I have the same skincare routine morning and night. Some people have 2 different, which is totally fine. I just don't. I have 1, and that's just easier for me. And then I also got myself ready, and by getting yourself ready, that doesn't mean like doing your makeup, doing your hair, getting like dressed super nice. Like I work from home, I don't do my hair most days, but I do try to get dressed and out of pajamas. But just like literally getting myself out of a pajama, even if it's to go into a pair of joggers or sweats, leggings, like just putting something else on, you know? So like getting ready doesn't mean doing makeup. I never do makeup on weekdays unless I'm filming content and I feel like putting makeup on. And honestly, I don't do my hair. I did my hair this morning because it was kind of weird, which is fine, but I don't do my hair regularly. I blow dry it and it looks fine naturally. So yeah, that's most of the things that I do in the morning. I do also make my bed. However, it is Sunday and I'm going to wash our sheets, so I'm not making my bed right now, and my cat is sleeping on it and she's super cute and I really don't want to bother her right now, but I typically would make the bed in the morning if Alex hasn't already made it, and just like that's mostly the things that I do in the morning, right? But like I said, I'm doing laundry today, so I'm not going to make the bed just to undo it in like 5 minutes. So, and something that I'm going to do right now is write down a to-do list. It is Sunday, and I did a lot of the cleaning yesterday, so I don't have any cleaning to do, and Alex and I honestly just want to chill this afternoon, probably watch like a movie and like not go out, not do anything. We just want to stay home and not have too many things to do, but there are things that need to be done. So I'm gonna make a to-do list of things that need to get done today before I spend my afternoon just chilling, because if I spend my afternoon chilling, I'm not going to want to do these things after. So I'm going to write a to-do list, and I feel like this is the most effective way for me to get stuff done, is when I write it down, it's like official, I need to do it, and then once I just check it off, it means it's done and I don't have to worry about it anymore. So I'm going to go do a little to-do list, and we're going to do the stuff before Alex gets back home from his workout. Okay, so I just wrote down my to-do list. I don't put more than 3 things on my to-do lists. That's just how I roll. If I put too many things on, I feel like that's just not possible for me to do all the time. Like sometimes yes, but sometimes no, and today I know that 3 is more than enough. What I've got on my list today is do a quick little cleanup of the apartment. I did most of the cleaning up yesterday, but the apartment does get dirty every single day, so I'm going to do a quick little cleanup, especially of the kitchen. I then have my laundry to do for my sheets, and I need to go start my car. There was like a problem with my car at the beginning of the weekend, and I just want to figure that out. Okay, you guys, it's a little bit later and my pants did end up arriving, so I'll definitely show you guys that a little bit later today, because we are making lunch right now, and I wanted to show you guys what we're making for lunch because we're trying this new like salad kit that Costco had. It looks really good, so we're gonna taste test it together and see if it's any good, or like if it's as good as it looks. Okay, so this is the salad kit that we're making, this Thai style chili mango one. It's empty because we already have it in a bowl. So we're gonna make this. I think it's gonna be really good. It sounds really good. And then we also got this. What is that? Oh, so we've got like this little seeds packet. We've got this sauce packet, and then What do you think these are? Like mango pieces? I feel like I think those are mango pieces. Yum. And we also got these little chicken packets. It's 150 calories for 24 grams of protein, which is pretty good. So I'm gonna add this into the salad for some extra protein because there's literally no protein in it right now. So I'm gonna warm it up and add that on top. Okay, so I added my chicken on top. I did warm it up because I didn't want to eat it cold, so I warmed it up. And we're gonna do a little taste test. I'm gonna get some salad and chicken. Cheers. Honestly, you guys, 10 out of 10, so good. We also got the like crunchy pickle salad as well. We've tried that one before. It is so good as well. So either or of these salads are super good. And they also had like different kinds like in the past, right? There's one that has like cranberries in it.
There was like a blue cheese one.
There was a blue cheese one. They were all really, really good. So honestly, 10 out of 10 for Costco salad packs. And then the little chicken packs are so good. It literally tastes like real chicken. It doesn't taste fake at all, which is so good because sometimes it can taste fake. So 10 out of 10, recommend you guys give it a try. Super good, and I'm obsessed, and it's gonna be super easy and quick for lunches this week. So we always love a quick and easy lunch. Okay, you guys, I wanted to show you the pants. Here they are. How stinking cute are these? Like, honestly, it's giving Kim Possible, and I've never watched Kim Possible, but I know it's giving Kim Possible because I've seen so many costumes on Halloween. But like, how cute are they? I thought they might be a little bit long, and I guess they kind of are because they would need to be like this to fit properly. But I am determined to make them work. So I'll have a link for these pants down below if you guys are interested. They are the Simone pants from Dynamite. And yeah, these are the pants. Like, how freaking cute. I'm obsessed. And they also have like a stretchy band at the back right here. So love that. I just made the bed and look at how cozy it looks. I did wait a lot longer than I needed to make it because I just didn't feel like it. But the bed is made, the sheets are clean, and all is well in the world. Okay, so we're just making dinner and we're doing something super easy tonight. We made this like bagel sandwich with pickle and roast beef. And I feel like that's just like another super healthy, simple habit to do, and that's eat in, cook at home, plan out your meals instead of eating out. Okay, I put a sweater on, I was cold. But I just feel like if you're eating in, you will enjoy so much more when you go out to eat. It'll be more fun, more exciting. You'll look forward to it more than if you eat every day out, and you'll also save money by eating in. So super easy, just plan out everything in advance. Or don't. We, for a long time, did not plan anything in advance. But it is easier if you plan your meals in advance to eat at home instead of eating out. Also, drink your water, you guys. It's so easy to forget, but it's also so easy to remember. Something that helped me is getting a smaller water bottle, and I drink it more often throughout the day. I know that for some people, it'll be easier to get a bigger one and drink it like once or twice during the day. But like, just figure out what works for you. This works for me. I drink this 3 to 4 times a day. This is my 3rd one, and I'm gonna make sure to finish it. Okay, I'm in the bathroom now. I'm gonna do my skincare routine. It is currently 8 o'clock, and I try to be in bed between 8:30 and 9 and try to fall asleep before 10, which is another thing that I feel like if you're able to do, like, go to bed like 20 minutes earlier tonight and then make your way into going to bed as early as possible. I did hear that it's better to get your hours of sleep before midnight, so like going to bed around 10:30 is better than going to bed at like 2 in the morning and having 8 hours of sleep. It's just not the same kind of sleep. So yeah, I like going to bed early. Anyways, that is just a personal preference, but I do feel that if you incorporate going to bed earlier, you'll feel more productive the next day. It's just something that I've noticed in my day-to-day life. But anyways, I'm gonna do my skincare. I'm gonna show you guys the products that I use. So literally nothing has changed. I still use this Tula face wash, then the Tula little pH balancing toner pads, this CeraVe serum with hyaluronic acid, then my GM Colin cream, and then my Laneige lip mask. Super easy peasy. It's been the same for a few months and it works for me. Alright, skincare is done. Obviously my hair looks a little crazy and my face looks super glowy, but skincare is done and I'm gonna head to bed even though it's 8:13. Okay, I'm in bed and I honestly think I'm gonna fall asleep so early. I'm actually so tired today, so probably by 9 I'm gonna be sleeping. But something else that I try to do and that I would recommend kind of goes along with what I said this morning. Just like when you wake up, don't go right on your phone. I try to not go on my phone like right as I'm about to fall asleep. I try to like take a good like 30 minutes before I go to sleep with no phone. So yeah, I do try to do that just to like disconnect from my phone. But yeah, that's pretty much all my tips that I have for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always have my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on.